Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm so excited it's Friday. I'm jumping on to show you how to do bronzer. I've heard so many people tell me, like at parties, one-on-ones and all that, that they get their bronzer and they put it all over their whole face because they're not sure how to do it. They just do the snooki route. Okay, so real quick. Okay, so what you're gonna do, first off, you're going to get your summer shade in. Hey Olivia, good morning. You're gonna get your summer shade because like yesterday I jumped on, my face was white, my body was tan. You don't want that to happen. Bronzer is not meant to warm up your whole face. You can use it like that if you're in a pinch, but you really want to not use it like that. You want your summer shade. So you're gonna have a winter shade of foundation and a summer shade of foundation. I just upgraded mine to, I'm between a Shinto 2 and a Shinto 1. So right now, while I'm getting my first tan, I am in between shades. So probably in a week or two, I'll be in a full Shinto 2. You can mix our foundation together and it helps you gradually build up. You get your perfect match instead of going up a whole shade and still being in between colors. So anyways, let's talk about bronzer. Your bronzer, you are going to, some powder, you're gonna take an angled brush, like so, your bronzer, and you're gonna make a 3. So you're gonna go here and kind of push it in your hairline. Another thing I see people do is they don't go all the way in their hairline and they have a white stripe right here. So you're gonna want to work this. Hey Anita, you're gonna wanna work this into your hairline. Hey Melissa, like so. And then bring it down here and kind of warm up your cheeks with it. It's not meant to be a contour. Hey Nikki, how are you? Your bronzer is not meant to contour with because this is the, wrong shade again. This is a warm shade. Warm shades warm up your face. Cool shades contour your face. So like shadows have a cool tone and bronzers have a warm tone. So you're wanting to warm up your face. Where the sun would usually hit you, that's where you want to bring your bronzer. So you can kind of bring it right here, and right here. So you're gonna make a 3. And then you're gonna blend it. Thank you. I finally got it done, I think last week. It was needing it. It was pretty bad. So same thing on this side. Make sure you work it into your hairline because you don't want like a big glob of bronzer right here. You want it more focused right here. You want to leave this part of your face light. Bring it down here, and not in your temple, but by your temple, your cheeks. Not fully on your cheeks, like right here. Like so, here's my contour right here. I want to bring it right here. So then you take. Keep picking up my powder. No, Nikki, I don't think I'm doing anything this weekend. I think this is our only weekend we're free. Surprisingly. But as soon as the kids are out of school, it's gonna be chaotic. So then you're gonna bring it right here under your jawline, or on your jawline. Sometimes I connect them, do it under my nose. So Nikki, do y'all have any plans this weekend? Any big plans? And then I also like to bring it because I love bronzer as a blush. I love it. Some people don't, some people love it like I do. So I bring it a little bit under my cheeks. And then here's another tip. So sometimes you want to, you know, like whenever you smile when you do your blush, like this, you want to bring it up a little bit higher than normal because as soon as you quit smiling, what is your face going to do? You're going to take it here, it's going to droop. So if you do it a little bit lower, it's going to droop down. So you want to do it a little bit higher so your face looks lifted and it brings your cheekbones up. So I'm trying to like reach up over the comments. Let's see. Yes, those weekends are the best. And I told Cody, I was like, okay, we've got to spring clean. We've got to get all, you know, certain things out of the house. Oh, fun. I love family get-togethers. They are so much fun. Okay, so nose, so you're going to make a 3. Here, 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 here. You can bring it here if you need to. Under your nose if you need to, lightly. And then you can also bring it right here in your hairline. So if you want to get it really in your hairline, pinch your brush like this and really work it in there. But make sure when you wash your face, you're washing in your hairline too, because you will have breakouts there. I had breakouts like all along here for the longest time. I was like, what am I doing wrong? It's because I wasn't washing my hairline. I mean, of course I went in the shower, but like at night whenever you wash your face. Anyways, so as you're doing your bronzer, you want to make sure to hold your brush at the end. You probably see me do this a lot, but I know how to, I'm very conscious of how I apply, like the touch wise. So you want to have a light touch when you do it. It blends better. Okay, so there's your bronzer. Bronzer 101. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll get back to you. I hope that helped y'all. If it did, let me know. If you saw a big difference in doing this technique, let me know. All right, bye y'all. Happy Friday.